Hello, thank you for joining Creative Rain Studio. This is a reading for Sunday. Let's see what we got. We're just going to take whatever comes out, see what messages. You might get a message of concern. Somebody might be reaching out to you, letting you know circumstances is not quite the best news. Concern maybe regarding change to a situation. Courtship. Maybe somebody is receiving a message about change in their circumstances, something that's going to concern them, maybe about someone else making a change in the situation. Poverty. Somebody might be going through a time right now where income is low, may feeling that you can't make ends meet. Maybe that's the message. Maybe somebody's receiving a message of concern about someone in poverty. And there's going to be a change in the situation regarding courtship. Sudden wealth. Someone is coming into some sudden wealth. It could be an inheritance. Lovers. Courtship, lovers, sudden wealth. Could be a message. Somebody's receiving a message of concern regarding their situation, that they may feel that they're not going to have enough. And then this could be a different, somebody receiving a message, or maybe someone courting someone, wanting to take the next step. Partnership. Distant horizon. Number 9, something coming in the distant horizon. A family room. Maybe redecorating a room, or decorating a room, a family room, or maybe moving. In prison. Someone may be physically in prison, or feeling in prison, feeling trapped about a situation. Main female. Bad health. You might receive a message of concern about someone in bad health. About a house. Main male. Maybe this person is, you're receiving a message about someone that is in, that it's a main male in your life, having bad health, wanting you to be with them at the house, their house, a family room. Maybe they want you to take care of them. High honor. Or not, maybe this is in reverse. Maybe someone's not really held in high honor. A lot of people shooting maybe a lot of people against them. About a marriage, about a choice in a marriage. about a marriage. If someone or a group of people are not happy about a marriage or a union coming together, and a particular person receiving a gift. Let me love you the right way, our way. Someone wants you, or this is your message to your person, or your person's message to you. Let me love you the right way, our way. Maybe you're in a relationship that not many people understand why or how this came together. Other card that flew out was this: we are a perfect match. And nobody's perfect, and y'all might see that maybe in the past y'all had too many standards that y'all were trying to live by, that everybody wasn't perfect, everybody wasn't the right match. But in reality, yin and yang, kind of opposites attract. So you may be different from this person, but a lot alike also. Let's do one more. I feel your energy everywhere. This person have a past life connection. This is more than just physical touch. You're able to feel this person's energy everywhere you go. Reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. Maybe this is somebody that you had a relationship in the past, and now it's time. Maybe it was the right person, wrong time when you first met, and it's time for reconciliation and maybe to move forward. Children. Your love life is being affected by children. So you may have children, they may have children, you might be wanting to start a family together. There's a lot of decisions that have to be made regarding children in the situation of maybe blending families. Heart-to-heart conversations. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. So this is the time, this is the time to be very honest about what you're going through. There's no room to be hiding things from each other, especially if you're coming together. It's a partnership. You're supposed to work as a team and be there no matter what, showing that unconditional love no matter what. Attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So just living your life and doing yourself, you're a mirror to your partner, whether you've met them already or you have not met them yet. As long as you stay in high vibration and work towards your goals, you're going to mirror your divine partner no matter where they are. You will eventually meet that person when the time is right. But if you are in low vibration, you're going to meet the person or people that are at that same level in their journey. They're not quite ascended yet, haven't gone through the healing that they need to go through. Feather, this is the divine feather messenger. Hummingbird, beautiful. The hummingbird says, release what you've been carrying and lighten up. New joy is on the way. So, let's see here. Let's do the major arcana just to end it. So, release what you've been carrying, like old baggage, negative thoughts, negative insecurities, any insecurities that are holding you back from communicating your truth to the people around you. Just the overall energy. We'll close this quick reading. The Chariot. It's coming. As long as you keep that self-control and discipline, the success will follow. What is meant for you will always be for you. There's nothing that anybody can do. They can delay you, and you do have free will to change plans that are set from God. The gifts that are sent from God, whether it be your talents that you are not using correctly, or maybe you're shy, or you haven't come into that time in your life where you're ready to come out of your shell, but these are gifts that God has given you. Release control of every situation. You don't have control of everything. You can feel like you do, but really God has a control of it. You have free will, but you'll always be put back on track so that you can receive what is truly yours. It's not too late. A Star card. Hope, rejuvenation, rebuilding, healing. We're talking about healing. And the Hangman. Right now you might be feeling like you sacrificed a lot. You may be in limbo, suspended, trying to release a lot of negative patterns. Justice. The truth shall be told. Fairness, law, and clarity, cause and effect. What goes around comes around. So as long as you heal and you work and you know that these are patterns that you have to break, and you have to keep going forward even at your darkest time. It's okay to ask for help. Last card, Six of Pentacles. Charity, generosity, sharing. Someone might be sharing information with you, or these are things that maybe you are being generous with somebody, or somebody is feeling that they want to be charitable to you. So, some messages for Sunday. Thanks for joining us.